Hello, today I will be reviewing the Mophie battery charger slash case for the iPhone 7 Plus. Well, here's the product itself. As you can see, it's a big case. It is for the 7 Plus, and the special function and the main function of this case is that it consists of charging an accumulator, a battery in the back of this case, which when you place the phone inside through the Apple port and press this button on the side, it's fully charged right now, as you can see with the 4 lights. When you do that, it starts to charge the phone. Very simple, and to be honest, it can be very useful. If you're a person who uses their phone all day, every day, and I'm not just talking about, browsing or texting, but, watching videos, gaming, photography, filmmaking, or during your travels when you don't have access to electrical ports where you can charge your device, this case will be a great partner for you because it can provide an 80% charge, almost a full charge for your phone. Well, I'm not sure if I ever had a full charge of this because I've been just using it so consistently for almost a year that I just can't even remember because if I ever charge my phone fully with this, because I just have this all the time, and my phone is almost like at 30-20%. I start using it and it charges to the max, but I never really had to charge it from from like 0%. But it's definitely keeps your phone alive and lets you use it for a much longer time than it would usually be. Well, as I showed to you, the design so far is Apple-like in many sense. Mophie, very elegant typography. It definitely shows that you have to place your phone in here, and you do that by opening the top with attachment segments here. You slide in your phone, the charger part attaches, and then you place the top back. Well, when you have your phone in this case, it does become pretty heavy. I would say this case would give an extra 40% in weight to your phone, so it's almost like carrying 1.5 phone with you. Plus, there is the diameter of the phone case is bigger than the phone itself, so it will make it wider and thicker as it would be naturally. So when the Mophie juice pack is off, the phone definitely feels much lighter and much transportable than in the case. Another mentionable thing would be that, as you can see, these two spots here are where the stereo or the speakers of the phone go, and the sound is transferred by this two little cavities to a direct confrontational sound. So the sound doesn't go to the bottom of the phone, sort of this way in a normal iPhone, but with this case, because it just basically curves the sound, it comes directly at you, which can be actually pretty useful when you're watching videos and watching any media or listening to anything, because I just prefer the sound coming at me, not away from me. The buttons are the same as on the iPhone and they work really great. These are the sound buttons here. Here is the hole where you can flip on and off the silent mode on the phone. Here is the unlock button. Big enough space for the 7 Plus camera. As you can see, I have used this case, and yes, I have dropped my phone in this case more than one times, more times than I would like to admit, to be honest. And you can see these scratches, and it's definitely better to scratch this case than your iPhone. And you know what? Because of the little bumps out there, when I dropped this phone face down in the bathroom, it saved it. Literally, this case saved my phone so many times. Just trying to look for some marks here, but I don't think it will come through the camera. Well, another thing with this phone juice bag is that when you have your phone in it, you can buy an accessory, which is basically a circle charger. It's just a circular plate. You can only just place your phone on it and it will charge. There's no need to plug it in. And I forgot to talk about how to charge the juice pack itself, which is through micro USB. And when the phone is in the pack and you put it in the micro USB, the phone charges as well, and the pack itself, the case itself. So I don't even really use an Apple charger anymore. I just use a micro USB. Much cheaper, much accessible. If you lose it, it's so much easier to get a micro USB than to get a fancy Apple charger, they just, I understand that Apple is a really, really good brand and a high quality product, but honestly, for a charger, I just don't want to get ripped off like every time I lose my cord, which happened many times before. So it is convenient that it turns into a micro USB. I'm very, very satisfied with this product, and it's very elegant, makes your phone look big, and it gets heavy. It's kind of hard to fit it in your pocket, but I use my phone so much. I watch videos, I watch movies, I play games, and this is a great case for people like me who just need their phone to be charged all the time. So thank you for watching this review. I hope you get some useful information out of this, and I hope that you will have a good day.